Good morning, mustaches.
Good morning, Mr. Gray.
We always start our day with
Morning meeting.
And morning meeting always starts with a
Greeting.
Good morning, James.
Good morning, Mr. Greg.
Let's go, James.
Good morning, Jeremy. Good morning, James.
Really loud.
Good morning, Pablo. Good morning, Jeremy. Good morning, Angelina. Good morning, Pablo. Good morning, Ezra. Good morning, Adria. Good morning, Shan. Good morning, Danny. Good morning, Juliet. Good morning, Shan. Good morning, Genesis. Good morning, Louise. Good morning, Maria. Good morning, Genesis.
Raise your hand if you haven't been greeted. There we go.
Good morning, Jordan. Good morning, Miriam.
Good throw, Miriam. Good job.
Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, Jordan.
Oh, good throw. Keep your hands up so Jesus knows who needs to be greeted.
Good morning, Eileen. Good morning, Jesus.
Good throw. You guys are getting good at this.
Wow. You sure are. Oh, love you. Good morning. Good morning, Olivia. Good morning, Chloe. That was terrible.
Keep your hands up.
Good morning, Shaddai. Good morning, Olivia. Good morning, Tiana. Good morning, Shaddai.
Who's left?
You.
No.
Henry. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Tiana. That's Henry Green.
I wonder who Henry's going to greet.
You.
Good morning, Henry. Good morning, mustaches.
Good morning, Mr. Gray.
After our greeting, we always have time to
Share.
So who are we looking at?
The first talking.
And where do my respectful listeners put their hands?
And that.
And then and what do my respectful listeners listen with?
Our ears.
All right. Remember, if you're sharing, you need to speak loud so we can hear you. All right. And when you ask questions, you need to ask your questions loud so we can hear you. All right. We're going to start with Genesis this morning. Really loud.
My mom buy me a tent of Minnie.
A tent? All right. Questions for Genesis.
Why you want buy a tent? Because I wanted to.
Jesus.
What color was it? Pink.
So can you say it in a full sentence? Say it was.
It was pink.
Very good. Chloe? Okay, ask.
Did you go camping with the tent? No.
So we know she got a tent. We know it was Mickey Mouse. Chloe asked a very good question and said, did you go camping? And Genesis said no. But do we know what Genesis is doing with her tent?
No.
So what could we ask her? Tiana?
What was it doing with my tent?
Say it again really loud.
I was playing with my tent
Where did you put the tent?
inside of my house.
Very good. Thank you, Genesis. All right, let's see. Let's get somebody who doesn't share a lot. James, you haven't shared in a long time.
I go.
Really loud.
When it's October, I'm gonna buy a new costume.
What did you tell me you were doing this weekend? This morning you told me you were doing something this weekend.
Watching a movie.
No, you said you were getting a new something.
A costume.
You were moving to what?
A new house.
So there you go. So what can you share with us this morning, James?
I'm gonna buy a new house.
All right. Questions for James. Danny?
What you gonna buy then? Why you gonna buy the new house? Because I wanted to.
Because I want to what?
I want to sleep over at my friend's house.
Okay, but why are you buying a new house?
My mom and dad want to.
Very good. Jesus?
Are you gonna play with your friend? Yes.
Israel, do you have a question?
Yes.
All right.
What play are you going to go to go?
Ask your question again, buddy.
Where are you going to go?
Where are you going to go? Where's your new house going to be?
Far away.
Where? Do you know where far away?
Yeah.
Are you still going to come to our school?
Yeah. When it's Sunday, I'm going to go back to my house.
Very good. Thank you, James. All right, let's get one more person this morning. Eileen, you don't share very often at all.
I play with my little brother with the Play-Doh.
Say it again real loud.
I play with my sister with the Play-Doh.
All right, questions for Eileen about playing with Play-Doh and with her brother. Pablo?
What do you play? I make a ballerina.
Questions? So what did she play with?
Play-Doh.
And she told us that she made what?
A princess. A ballerina.
Okay, well, do we know anything? What do we know about her ballerina? Do we know anything? So what can we ask?
What color?
Somebody ask over here.
What color?
Jorvin, what's your question?
What color was it?
So can you say my ballerina?
My ballerina is pink.
Very good. What else can we ask? Chloe?
How did you make the ballerina?
Great question.
And
And what did you use to make the ballerina? What did you make it with? What were you playing with? Okay. So can you say I? Very good. Any more questions for Eileen? Luis?
what did your brother did?
What did your brother do?
He's so little.
Okay, what was he doing?
Spider-Man.
So he made? Very good. Excellent job. Great sharing, great listening, great questions. So remember, if you didn't share today, you can share tomorrow. All right. So we're going to do our would you rather question.
Yay!
All right. So remember, you have to pick your choice, and then you have to think of a really good reason. And we're going to use the word because. All right. So everybody got their hands in their lap. Everybody sitting up nice and tall. Tiana's got those listening ears turned on. Would you rather have a giant nose or giant ears? Would you rather have a giant nose or giant ears? All right, are we ready?
Yes.
All right, who wants to start this morning? All right, we're going to start with James. Remember to speak loud so we can hear you.
I would rather a big nose because it's funny.
Okay, Pablo?
I would rather a big nose because it's cool.
Very good. Jesus?
I would rather have
Really loud, buddy.
I would rather have a big ear
Because?
because it's really awesome.
All right, Luis?
I would rather have big ears because I can listen well.
Very good reason. Danny?
I would rather big nose because it's cool.
Okay. Henry?
I would rather cool
Because?
because
Jorvin?
I would rather have a big nose because it's funny.
Jeremy?
I would rather get big nose is cool.
All right. Israel?
I live in a big house.
Big ears or big nose, buddy?
Big house.
Big nose because?
Because it wasn't funny.
All right. Shaddai? Really loud.
I would rather because it's funny for my brother.
Okay. Genesis?
I would rather
Big nose or big ears?
pick your choice. Big ears.
Very good. Angelina?
I would rather have big ears because it's funny. I would rather big nose.
Because, oh, you gotta let her finish. Because?
Because it's funny.
Chloe?
I would rather have big ears because I would be able to listen well. I would rather have big ears
Really loud, Tiana.
because it's funny for my sister. I would rather have a big nose because I was no good.
Very good. And Shims?
I done. Big nose because my dad laughed.
You make your dad laugh? All right. Very good. Excellent job. What's next? Where are my good readers looking?
At the morning message.
And what does a good reader point to?
The word.
And when we point to the words, what do we do?
Read.
And which way do we read?
Left to right, top to bottom.
And how many letters at a time?
1.
And who's going to read?
All of us. Good. G. O. O. D. Good morning, Mr. Greg. G. R. E. G. Apostrophe. S.
Why does my name have an apostrophe S?
Because it's your mustaches.
All right, let's read.
Good morning, Mr. Greg Mustaches. Today is Today is Thursday. January 10.
All right, read.
Today is Thursday, January 14th.
What's the date today?
14th.
Read that again, please.
Today is Thursday, January 14th, 2016. 2016. Period.
All right, let's find some sight words. Tiana. And. What word?
And.
Danny. With.
Thank you, Tiana. You're welcome, Danny.
With. How do we spell with?
W-I-T-H.
What word?
With.
What word?
With.
Israel. We.
Thank you, Jackie. You're welcome, Israel.
We. What word?
We.
Israel, can you find the other we? What word?
We.
What word?
We.
Eileen. Will. Will. What word?
Will.
Can you find the other will? Very good. What word?
Will.
Henry. A. Good. What word?
A.
Henry, can you find the other A? Very good. What word?
A.
Pablo. About.
Thank you, Henry. You're welcome, Pablo.
What word?
About.
Olivia. Today. What word?
Today.
All right. Who reads the sight words? Who reads the sight words? All of you. Thank you. Who reads everything else?
You.
And where are my good readers looking?
At the morning
There we
message.
go, Gianna.
Today we will.
Learn about walruses.
We will.
Paint
A.
walrus.
And.
Subtract
With a.
walrus.
Love. L. I think we're done. Just say O.
How about the walrus?
V. With E. Love. And. R. Period. Love, Mr. Greg. G. R. E. G. Love, Mr. Greg.
Great job. Thank you, Miriam. What do we say on the bottom?
Letters. Sight words. Words.
What are those?
Words.
Words, but what's missing?
Right.
What's missing?
Letters. Letters.
Letters are missing. All right. Luis?
I watched it. The wall is wrong.
All right, Luis. You ready? Fox. Very good. Should I? Cut. Should I? Let's say the sounds in cut. Very good.
After she died.
Dog. Very good. Miriam. Bless you.
You're welcome, Miriam.
Bun. Genesis. Map. Jesus. Hug.